Hello बच्चों, so let's read the question. The question says, read the following statements and choose how many statements are not correct. पहला statement दिया हुआ है, in the H zone of the striated muscle, overlapping is not present. Second, an elastic fibrous Z line bisects each eye band. Third, H zone is located at the center of each eye band. And fourth, actin and myosin proteins are arranged as rod-like structures parallel to each other. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है ओनली वन स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट, सेकंड में 2, थर्ड में 3 एंड फोर्थ में 4. So the key concept of this question is sarcomere. Sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of a muscle or of a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle को एक striated muscles बोला जाता है. So it is the structural and functional unit of a skeletal muscle or a striated muscle. Also, it is also called the contractile unit. Each sarcomere consists of protein filaments which are known as the myofilaments. These are basically made of proteins. और इसमें the thick filaments are called myosin and the thin filaments on the other hand are called actin filaments. So इस sarcomere में यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो region है उसको बोला जाता है A band. This region is known as the A band. The A band or the anisotropic band, it basically consists of both myosin fibers and actin filaments. The thick region is known as the myosin filaments and these are the actin filaments. The anisotropic band contains both. The second is the I band, जो यहाँ से यहाँ तक lie करता है. This is called the I band or the isotropic band. The isotropic band only is composed of actin filaments, and since it is only composed of actin filaments जो thin होते हैं, myosin thick होते हैं, therefore I band appears light. जो dark bands होते हैं, they are basically the A bands. A bands are darker and I bands are lighter. Right here is called the Z disc. जो Z disc होता है, it is basically the point of connection between the neighboring actin filaments and जो Z disc होता है, it basically transverses the I band because ये I band के बीच में present होता है. With respect to this, a sarcomere is also defined with respect to the Z discs. So a sarcomere can be described as a structure. A sarcomere is also described as a structure between two Z discs. This right here, from this to this region, will be called a sarcomere. Moreover, there is another unit called the H zone. The central part of the thick filament, which only contains myosin. H zone जो होता है, H zone जो होता है, सिर्फ इस वाले रीजन को बोला जाता है जहाँ पे एक्टिन प्रेजेंट नहीं होता, जस्ट मायोसिन प्रेजेंट होता है. सो दिस इज द H zone. The thick filaments which are present in the A zone, the thick filaments which are present in the A zone, they are also held together by a thin fibrous membrane, which is called the M line. Further, coming to actin and myosin, myosin को thick filaments भी बोला जाता है because they are comparatively thicker as compared to the actin filaments, and actin filaments are also called the thin filaments. Together, both of them, they produce a sarcomere, which is the contractile unit of a muscle. Both actin and myosin are rod-like structures, and they both lie parallel to each other. They also lie parallel to the axis of the myofibril. So coming back to the question में हमें बताना है कौन सा स्टेटमेंट नॉट इनकरेक्ट है, मतलब कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है एच जोन ऑफ द स्ट्राइएटेड मसल ओवरलैपिंग इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. दिस इज ट्रू. एच जोन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ मायोसिन प्रेजेंट होता है, सो इट इज ओनली द थिक फिलामेंट. सो यहाँ पे ओवरलैपिंग नहीं होता. सेकंड, एन इलास्टिक फाइब्रस जेड लाइन बाइसेक्ट्स ईच आई बैंड. दिस इज आल्सो ट्रू. थर्ड, एच जोन इज लोकेटेड इन द सेंटर ऑफ द आई बैंड. दिस इज रॉन्ग. एच जोन इज लोकेटेड इन द सेंटर ऑफ द ए बैंड. And fourth, actin and myosin proteins are arranged as a rod-like structure parallel to each other. This is also true. So 3 out of 4 statements are true or not incorrect. So the final answer for this question is option C. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.